Oh, we good? Sick. All right, what's up? What's up, guys? We got THROTL's e36 M3 right behind me, and as you guys can see, it's all torn apart already. Mitch already got first hand at this car. We're gonna do a super cool livery design on this whole car. We got our very own in-house designer working on a super dope design that we're gonna try to make come to life for AutoCon and for Evan Beckerman's birthday. There's a lot of work that's gonna get done to this car. As you guys can see, it's wide-bodied and it's bagged, and it's got 3-piece wheels that are getting worked on by our buddies over at Nifty Built. So let's get to it. We got a lot of stuff to do before we finish, and I need to get to work.
How's it, Lane?
Pretty nice.
What's going on today?
Not much. We continue working on the 36, and project hashtag is THROTL36, so I'm just gonna say it straight up right now. If you're looking for the hashtag in the video and you're actually listening to me, I'm just gonna give you the hashtag. Comment it below. We've been picking winners and we're just randomly hitting you guys up and sending you guys care packages, so we're still doing that. Continue commenting below. THROTL36 is the hashtag of today's video. Then I think we should cut back to the clips of actually designing the livery, because I thought that was really cool.
So the throttle design was really cool to do. Originally, the car was just gonna be blue. And then the idea that a livery was gonna go into the mix, and things changed really, really fast. Evan had this certain look in mind, and it was my goal to just achieve that to as close to what he was looking for as possible. We started with a E36 blueprint, a scaled down version of it so that I could work within Adobe Illustrator. That's the program that I use for designing. And we ended up coming up with design. It was originally a really rough idea in a different direction, and then I was able to talk to Evan over the phone, and we really nailed down this certain style that he was looking for. And something that we had to keep in mind while designing it was that it was going to be all done in individual vinyl layers. And with that being said, some things had to stay very basic in regards to the art itself, because every single piece had to be laid down by hand. It was a really fun one to do, and I can't wait to do even more. We got so many more coming for you guys, and we're just gonna go bigger and better every time. We definitely want to keep doing more of this stuff, but we also really want to keep pushing the envelope on what can be done with layers until it's to the point where we can't even do layers anymore and we just have to do print. So let us know what you guys think in the comments below, and we'll get back to the process.
That's the cool thing about Evan's cars. We had it here at probably its worst, and Evan will say the same. You know, when he took off his wrap and sanded down the whole car, and you know, it's an older vehicle, so the clear coat was already chipping off, took it down, had the wide body removed. I was thinking about how it just didn't look too attractive, but there's so much potential there, and we're gonna show you exactly what that turns into. You know, you can do this with any vehicle. It's an older car, but it is an E36, I will say that. It's a badass car, it's boosted, it's bagged, so it got a bunch of cool stuff already to it. So Evan's put in a lot of work, and he just knew that this was the last final stop here at Premium. Probably not, because it's car guy life, but at least for now, to get it to the show, we're gonna do the wrap, we're gonna do the livery, and we're gonna go deliver it to him on Friday night, and then we will go to AutoCon and debut it as well. So let's get in there and finish this up, because I don't got time to stay out here and rant, and I'll do it all day, because I love talking. I love having the camera in my face, and I love watching Jefe hold this camera running right here and know that it's not easy. That's not easy, bro. I have a feeling that Lauren's in the building. If Lauren's not in the video, people notice.
Yeah.
Good morning.
What up?
I can't touch them, sorry.
That was horrible.
I can't. You're gonna get sick. I don't want to get you sick, dude.
What's that on his shirt?
Stop.
God!
What's up, buddy?
How are you, dude?
I'm good.
You good? Yeah?
That like Godfather, you're like, what's up, buddy?
I was gonna kiss him.
Oh yeah.
Let's go find out what the rest of the crew did. Good morning, Mitchell. Hi.
Oh, sorry.
Good morning. Look at you boys. Edwin. Okay, so Christian and I are gonna go out and start laying the first graphics on the THROTL 36. Doesn't look like much right now. It looks kind of crazy. Like, it's just all different colors. White doors, satin black, blue on the roof. but it's all gonna make sense pretty soon. So watch it come together. We're gonna time lapse a little bit and hope you guys like it. All right, so let me show you kind of behind the scenes of the process. I know that I said earlier, like it looks a little crazy with all the different colors, but as the aggressive graphics that we put on come together, that sounds weird, aggressive graphics, but the lines are really aggressive. If you look at the way the orange now is starting to bring the design together, let me see if I can focus on that. That's kind of the idea of what we'll be doing. Here is the hood graphics starting to be laid out. There's the black lines there. It's just starting to look cool. I can't wait to show you guys.
The deconstructed version of the livery.
Damn, that's crazy.
Gregorio. Oh, Gregorio from Jefe. Let's see what it is. Oh, Jefe from All Wrapped Up. Look at that.
Oh,
Nice. This is from the podcast that I did, what was it, like 2 months ago?
yeah.
All Wrapped Up podcast. That's badass. Thank you, Jefe. I'm gonna wear this every day. That's how I roll. I wear the same shirt every day. You wanna see something funny right now? Check this out. Logo. Twinning.
Hopefully the final mock-up so we can start placing all of these beautiful company logos.
White base, that's the top layer. That layer is gonna go over that, which will create the 2-layer decal, and then we'll put it on the hood. And you'll see why it creates dimension to it, so it's worth it. It'll look good. Don't get nervous.
No.
Ah!
Don't do that. Oh god.
You turn red.
No. So we're in our final stages with the throttle car, which is very exciting for all of us because we are just putting on the final touches, which is actually the part that really brings the entire car together. So it's all of these decals here, and it looks super nice when it's a nice clean logo.
What's up? There it is.
Hey, it's a wild Becker.
There it is. Ooh, doctor. Oh, that is sick. That is sick. Oh, man. Dude, it's crazy. It looks exactly like the rendering. Dude.
Wow. You happy?
You fucking killed it.
Oh man, these guys did.
Dang.
How are you,
What's up,
man?
Good to
How
see
you
you.
doing?
Dude, I love the hood.
Yeah, the
That's,
hood,
I think,
the
my
hood pops.
favorite.
Premium model, we got racks. Over 6,000 designs, and that's a fact.
You know what this is? We got slaps! Hey, we got slaps, bro! Hey, we got slaps! We got slaps! We got slaps! Link in the description.
And the dopest graphics, how your whip looking clean when you in traffic. Okay, you ride look fresh on the interstate. Yeah, sweeter than a Kit Kat, now take a break.
Whoa.
Tell everybody that it's a wrap. Tell them premium model is a team, and that's a fact.
If
Yes.
you buy a new car, better take it to premium, cause when you driving in the street, you gotta be number one. You can bring a GTR or a Bentley, customize a Camaro or a Mustang. Boys do the blue, girls do the pink. Racers love red, I'ma do the green. Multicolor lights, black racing stripes.